conversion from Japanese to English at Nissan Elgrand e52 European version. So we have converted system to English with uploaded map data of Europe. Now we can see London. Full coverage of Europe. List of countries. List of languages.
Would you like to access phone, navigation, information, audio, or help?
Phone.
There is no phone connected. Push the phone button to connect a phone.
Voice recognition system works at English. Also it can work in other European language from the list. Also we have converted frequency radio range. Now we can listen all European stations. Also I want to note that everything works like before, like a round view monitor, buttons on the steering wheel. Thank you for attention.